Cooking beautifully well. Wash it well. See sand still. So you wash it until the sand is finished. Our ginger. This local Mexican spice for it. So this is all I'll be using. Hibiscus flower called Zobo. Zobo is ginger. This is native sweetener, and this is cinnamon stick. That is all we'll be working with today. So come with me while we prepare. Let's peel it. I normally peel my own. I don't know if so guys, this thing is called tamarindo. Tamarindo is a Mexican spice used for Zobo, but they call their own ¿qué dice this tamarindo? No, with this todo Jamaica. They call it Jamaica. That's our Zobo. For them, it's called Jamaica. So hi guys, we're done with peeling the tamarindo. This is the peeled one, and this is the back. So we'll go ahead to toss everything inside the pot. So we go ahead. First and foremost, we have washed our pot clean. Then I will add the hibiscus flower. Then the sweetener, I'll add it. I've washed our cinnamon stick. I'll add it. Then this is our ginger. Add your ginger. Then our tamarindo. I'll add it. When we are done, we go ahead to put our hot water. So because the water is not enough, I will add more water. We'll cook more water to add, so at least to this level. So now that I have been able to fill the water to where I want it to be, I will just go ahead to cover the pot and let it boil for about 45 minutes. Stay tuned. Cooking beautifully well at our Zobo, aka Jamaica. At this point, I've offed it and I'll allow it to cool down. Yes, when it cools down, we'll come back to fill it up in the bottle. Sean puts it well. You know, I thought this thing was. I also see. Yes, now because it's already late.